So if this was a solvent-based product, this would be a scary moment. And when we are training guys, we say apply the polish right to the middle, place it onto the surface, and fuse the polish into the pad. And now you're going. Welcome to the world of video production. Still rolling. Now this actually can be a good learning moment. So expand your mind for a moment and cease your prejudices. So if this was a solvent-based product, this would be a scary moment because the solvents would sit there and dwell on the hot paint and they could cause the clear coat to swell. And that can swell to a degree that it's permanent. So it could do permanent damage, which is why most products will say apply to the pad, not to the surface. Because if I did this and I got interrupted like I just did because the camera fell over because the wind blew, it's like, oh my gosh, panic mode. But I'm not in panic mode because I know the winning attributes of this product, namely in this moment, waterborne technology. Allow me to illustrate, and this is a massive sidebar. So this is just distilled water pump. Look what happens. Literally breaks down. I mean, is that cool or what? And just for some context, this paint is, because I did a measurement, is hovering right around 160 degrees. That is not considered cool paint, never mind shaded paint. But any damage? Zero. I love it. Okay, in closing, don't forget to check the links below. And on your way out, give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. And if you haven't already, why the heck not?